In this video, let me show you how to fix Lyft account not found error. So if you come across this error where you're not being able to log in because the account is not available inside of Lyft, let me show you a quick way on how you can solve this issue. You just need to tap on get started, and then instead of adding in your phone number straight away, you can tap on the find your account option. This way you can type in the email address that is associated with your account, or the email address that you previously used in order to link your account. So you can simply type in your email and then tap on next. This way a verification code will be sent to the linked email so that you can simply enter in the code so that you can sign in. If you don't remember your email, you can use your phone number instead as well. You can simply tap on the forgot what your email you used, and instead of email you can type in your phone number, and similarly you will get a code on your phone number so that you can enter it in so that you can log in to your Lyft account. So using this exact method, you'll be able to fix the Lyft account not found error. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.